Get ready to embark on a flavorful journey with our incredible mini skewer pass-arounds. From global bites to viral vibes. Craving something with a kick? Satay Street. Mini chicken satays from Thailand. Souk Sizzlers. Mini Shish Tawook skewers from Lebanese. Fiesta Flicks. Mini Fajita skewers from Mexico. Bollywood Bites. Mini Tandoori Tikka from India. Cook up some next-level kebab skewers. First up, a taste of India with our Bollywood Bites, succulent chicken tikka skewers that will transport your taste buds. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken breast, 3 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon mustard oil, juice of 1/2 lemon, red food color optional, salt to taste. Marinate for 4 to 6 hours. These are marinated in a rich blend of yogurt, Kashmiri chili, and garam masala, then grilled to perfection. Yogurt meets spice. Mustard oil brings the heat. This isn't just chicken, it's a cultural moment. Serve with mint chutney dip. Ingredients: 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, handful of mint and coriander leaves, juice of 1/2 lemon, salt to taste. Blend everything until smooth. Threaded with color. Grilled to perfection. These skewers are ready to steal the spotlight. Next, let's turn up the heat with our Fiesta Flicks zesty Mexican fajita skewers, guaranteed to get the party started. Marinated in a bright lime-orange blend with cumin and jalapeno, these are grilled with onions and peppers. Ingredients: 500 grams chicken breast, juice of 1 lime plus zest of 1/2 orange, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper, diced color capsicums. Marinate for 2 to 4 hours. Zesty lime, smoky paprika. This isn't just fajita, it's flavor choreography. Serve them with a fresh avocado lime dip or tomato salsa. Dip recipe: 1 ripe avocado, juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons sour cream or Greek yogurt, salt to taste. Blend until silky smooth. Creamy, tangy avocado dreams. This dip's got main character energy. From street-style sizzle to luxury plating. Mini skewers. Major fiesta. From the Middle East, we bring you Souk Sizzlers, our aromatic shish Tawook skewers, a true crowd pleaser. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken thigh, 3 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon Arabic spice mix, half a teaspoon sumac, salt and pepper to taste, and choice of wooden skewers. Garlic rich, sumac bright. This marinade's got Middle Eastern swagger. Charred to perfection. Juicy with attitude. These skewers are built to impress. Optional skewering with red onion petals, capsicum dices, or cherry tomatoes. Serves with toom, the Lebanese garlic sauce. Creamy, punchy, unapologetically garlicky. Ingredients for the garlic sauce: 4 to 6 garlic cloves, 1/2 cup neutral oil, juice of 1/2 lemon, pinch of salt. Blend all the ingredients slowly while drizzling oil until fluffy. Mini skewers with Middle Eastern soul. These bites don't just feed, they perform. Craving something with a kick? Our street heat sticks, mini chicken satay skewers. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken, 20 mini bamboo skewers, soaked in water for 30 minutes, 1 tablespoon oil for grilling, 3 tablespoon coconut milk, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 2 teaspoons brown sugar or palm sugar, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Mix all together and keep minimum 30 minutes to get marinated. Thread it up, accordion style. Tiny skewers, major flex. Perfect snack squad goals. Peanut butter plus coconut milk equals smooth operator. Red curry swirl, spicy plot twist. Whisk, whisk, baby. Silky, creamy, and totally drip-worthy. Stack them vertical with peanut sauce and crushed peanuts in a bamboo con or shot glass. Whatever screams bougie bite. Which skewer would you grab first? Bollywood Bites, Fiesta Flicks, Souk Sizzlers, or Satay Street? Comment your favorite below. We'll see which starter wins the Skewer Showdown.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more global food creations and party-perfect recipes every week.